Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike, nisubscribe nokukhomenta kweni kubalulekile because bafuna ukulithenga le page leli. So ukuze sikwazi ukuba independent and ngiligcine le page leli bafethu, ngicela nisubscribe. Masingafika at least ku-20,000 subscribers sokwazi ukuba independent siyimele. Labantu laba bafuna ukusiheha ngemali sivele sibachithe. So make sure bafethu ukuthi niya subscribe njalo bafethu. Please. Otherwise ngizonyamalala ngizozwa i-voices yomlungu or angazi ukuthi bazolenzani le page leli if bazolithatha. But yeah, ngifuna kunithatha bafethu kunibeka laphana ku-grandstand ye-Kaizer Chiefs. These people or these players could not or did not make the match day squad abanye. Siyazi ukuthi abanye ba-injured. So lana sibona uGiven Msimang ngicabanga ukuthi uye lo mile if ngibona kahle. Sibona uNgcobo, sibona uMorris, sibona uDotli olimele. Siyazi ukuthi ulimele uDotli. And uSolomons uperforma kahle kakhulu. I don't understand ukuthi uSolomons why even bamdrope to e-grandstand bafowethu cabanga lapha kuma-stand uperforma kahle kakhulu. uBatman, uCheslett ngathi-ke ayinaye akasa-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela. uModi naye ulena. Eceleni kwaModi laphana sibona uHlongwane bafethu umfana oyi-striker naye. And then eceleni kwaModi on his right sibona uShinga and then sibona uSilva laphana. And then just ngaphansi kwabo enzansi kwabo sibona uNkwesa noThulane Touch Mabaso. I-team leyo uKaizer Chiefs overall enga-contribute naye given an opportunity. Ngiya-understand ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ine-team enkulu bafethu. But abangakadlali lana esingababala uShinga, uNkwesa akakadlali, uThulane akakadlali this season, uCheslett akakadlali, uBatman akakadlali. uDotli noMsimang abakadlali nabo because of baku-injuries. I understand, we do understand. Why would uNgcobo be le phezulu bafethu ku-grandstand? Angazi, asazi ngempela but i-decision yakho at the end of the day. Abantu abaningi they've been saying uCheslett, give uCheslett i-chance. Kaizer Chiefs ize yakhipha i-statement. Engingazithembi, abantu abaningi futhi abasithembi bafethu. Even some of the people baku-media abasithembi because bayambona uCheslett, abakaze babona uCheslett engekho ejimini. Mabathi uthintekile uCheslett asazi ngempela. Mina ilokhu njana, my assumption bengithi bazama ukumprotect ukuthi i-market value yakhe noma kuthiwa uyadropha but ingadrophi kakhulu, akwazi ukunegotiate ama-deal amanye noma kuthiwa uyahamba because kumele ba-make sure ukuthi bayali-protect i-player. uShinga ngikhulumile-ke ngaye bafowethu, angazi ukuthi ngizoyiphinda kangakanani lento le ukuthi uMarco injured but uShinga guess what, akayitholi ne-opportunity yokuthi adlale, zero akayitholi. So I mean that's just sad bafethu. Ku-position yakhe bavele badlalisa umuntu odlala laphana i-left centre back, so it is sad. So bona ukuthi uzombona nini. uSilva he was promising when he started for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Because umeke ethola laphana eboxini uyakwazi ukuwaqedelela lawo ma-opportunities ukuwashaya. Siyazi ukuthi akabanga ne-good game against iCabo Scope la ageje khona ama-Sitha but bambambile. I think noma singazama ukukhuluma but-ke buyi-on target. So you know, but yeah, i-player besilibhekile ukuthi lizo-contribute, hit the ground running laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. uMorris ayikho-ke into azoyenza ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyadeserve ukuhlala laphana phezulu. uNgcobo akadeserve ukuhlala laphana phezulu, but I also do understand ukuthi isquad sabo bafethu is-powerful kakhulu, yabo. So kunabo Maboy appeared on the bench, unfortunately. Did he appear on the bench? Yes, I think so, yes. But unfortunately akakadlali naye. Just letting ngiyamzwela Dotli. I wish uDotli noMsimang bazobuya bafethu because what is happening ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu it's not ayoba at all. I mean being i-bench right, ku-right but ukuhlala isikhathi esingaka. Or lo baxhawulayo laphana bafethu sengikhohle ukumention uHappy Mashiane. Happy Mashiane uxhawula ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yena noZwane they did not make the match day squad for iSwelele FC. I think it was out of respect ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi we can't play against the Kaizer Chiefs, i-team yabo lena bafethu abakhulisile, and they just left like few days back, so or they just joined few days back, so they could not play against Kaizer Chiefs. And maybe my emotions maybe for bona were too high ukuthi bangadlala the game of this magnitude against the Kaizer Chiefs. So maybe it was an emotional game for them. They thought, no, let's just rather sit outside sibukele from ama-stands than ukuthi badlale against i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team yabo. Maybe I'm just assuming la bafowethu ukuthi maybe bacabange ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi hayi bona they don't wanna play against Kaizer Chiefs, they don't feel comfortable playing against the Kaizer Chiefs ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs uthola ukuthi yiyo esabhadala ama-salaries wabo cause isiwelele siyazi ukuthi si-broke bafowethu asinamali. I mean siyazi ukuthi si-travel-a kanjani, ama-player, amabhasi, zonke lezi zinto lezi aba-complain-a ngazo. Yeah, sobona ukuthi sobona ukuthi maybe Mashane uzokwazi ukubeka i-Kaizer Chiefs but uyambona ukuthi Nkosi yami uyayithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs ikuye bafowethu ngaphakathi, so it's just ukuthi izinto azihambi the way emhlabeni ofisa ngakhona ukuthi okay izinto zihambe kanje nakanje, azihambi ngaleyo ndlela at all. Uthola sowudlalela i-team encane nje from i-team enkulu. But kuleyo team encane also you have to prove yourself ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities. Uma uhluleka ukuziprove ethimini encane, then that's the nkinga of the problem laphana ukuthi okay they are loaning you but you also not performing laphana for leyo team leyo encane overall. So yeah, I mean yeah, ama-grand play okay nami sengizoyisho njalo lento kuma-clips. Kaizer Chiefs bawuze basize, play the new guys bafethu, let them fail inside the field of play. You cannot complain ukuthi ulo umdu uyadlala ukudlala but njengoba ubhuti ayishilo laphana kwenye i-clip le bengiyenza bafethu noma bengikhuluma ukuthi unama-moments wakhe i-decision making, if like unama-moments ngeke abe committed fully, ngeke umthembe like ubheje ngayo ukuthi hayi ngiyabheja ngolokhu njani. Kwamanye ama-game dlalisana abanye abantu bomaboy bakhona, there's no reason ukuthi bangadlali obomaboy. Akhona ama-player well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukulwela i-Kaizer Chiefs. But with that being said, it's very important to mention ukuthi first half into esiyibonile uVilakazi connecta nolona no-Shabalala bafethu, that was beautiful to see, that was beautiful to watch. It was a great football from abafana abawu-2 bafethu ba-complementana and then ba-understandana kahle, bayakwazi ukudeliver laphana ama-results. Well ama-combinations sengithi ama-results because ama-results phela kumele nikwazi ukuwathola sowabona ukuthi okay you win. But i-combination between bona babayi-2 bakwazile ngempela ukuyithola i-combination. I mean they just have to continue and keep believing that okuhle kuzovela out of yonke le mess le yenzakalayo at the moment bafowethu ukuthi okay khona okuhle okuzayo. Cause makungezi ama-fans azoba frustrated ngempela and you don't wanna have ama-fans are-frustrated laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. You don't want that at all cause manje bazokhosa iy'nkinga eyi-serious. So we don't wanna see that at all bafowethu, we don't. So they have to start delivering. They have to do it for themselves. They have to do it for the team to fight for the badge. Noma kuthiwa izinto azenzeki bafowethu but-ke try. The most important thing is to try. Abantu babone ukuthi hayi usibani uhlulekile namhlanje but uyazama, but-ke leyo nto leyo yokuzama asiyiboni, yinto eshodayo kakhulu bafowethu. Awazama amajita siwabona ukuthi ayazama, ahluleke ezamile laphana but-ke mehluleka nje ngoba ayahluleka i-problem leyo bafowethu enkulu. So they cannot afford ukuthi bangaperformi week in and week out. Hopefully abafana laba laphana phezulu kuma-grandstand bazowathola ama-opportunities. And ezinye izinto bafethu akumelanga ziphume kumina, sekuphuma indaba yokuthi uBatman abazi nokuthi bamdlalise yiphi i-position. Ayisiza ngani leyo nto leyo, izobhenefitha bani ekugcineni because ubulala i-confidence yama-player. Kusho ukuthi i-player alikho well equipped ukuthi li-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs. Just before ngiyivala, i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu idlala ama-game awu-9 laphana, ihleli ku-position number 4, ina-16 points. But uma ubheka kahle bafethu uyi-analyze lento le, they're not far off, they still can compete for the league, they just need to get ama-results. Azobuya aphi-ke ama-results if they're dealing with the same problems. I-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs ithembise ama-fans, yatshela ne-media ukuthi isure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu izokwazi ukuqualifya ku-second round ye-CAF Confederations Cup njengoba izodlala nale team lena yase i-AS Simba leya lapha neCongo. Uthe utshela i-media ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoqualifya, usure uzobona cause kufuneka amagoli uma kumele uqualify. You can't qualify nje you need amagoli ukuthi uqualify overall. So if not, they're not able to get lawo magoli lawo, so there's no way ukuthi ba-qualify. Let's hope bazoqualifya laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. It's not an easy one. They cannot afford ukuthi ba-concede igoli laphana at home. But yeah, they're well equipped, man. They have to keep creating those opportunities, taking their chances. Hopefully, they will try and get results. But the fans are tired. They have to get results. Ukuyibamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe bafethu, just making sure ukuthi le page lifika kulokhu njani. I think manje let's just push 20,000 subscribers, and then siyazi ukuthi-ke i-page isoligcina, ngeke sikwazi ukulithengisa, because obviously we cannot afford ukuluza freedom yethu bafethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuzikhulumela noma yini, ngoba manje sigijimisa imali. But at the end of the day, if the money keeps coming back, i-page alikhuli, then I would have no reason ukuthi ngiligcine i-page. Danko bafethu.